Welcome to this quick video about ChatGPT plugins. I already made a video where I show you how to access and activate them, but I will recover it quick. But to access them, you need a Plus subscription for now. This is like $23 a month, and then you can activate GPT-4 and activate plugin and web browsing. You may ask, why should I use ChatGPT with plugins? Well, that's easy. Well, ChatGPT becomes like a Swiss Army knife with plugins. They are equipped with specialized tools for every task and topic. But I have to tell you something about plugins. OpenAI rolled out plugins on the 12th of May, and there were only 98 available. The day I record this video, it's the 4th of June, there are 216 plugins. And it's really hard to keep track of them, which tool you can use for what topic or sector, and that's why I made a Notion database for you to find the right plugin to your needs. You will find a link to this Notion database down in the description below, and I will give you a quick example how you could use it. So if you click the link in the description, you will get to this page. If you scroll down, there's a short introduction of myself, and then there's a FAQ, then there's the table of ChatGPT plugins. It's that easy to access it. In this table you can find all the plugins that are available right now, and I will update it every day or every week. There are many topics that are covered with plugins. To find the right plugin for your needs, you click on filter on the right side. Then you can add filter, and I already added the tag. And if you click on the drop down menu, you can choose from all those topics. There's a lot of stuff you can do with plugins. For example, I need a plugin in the finance sector. Just click finance, and there you go. All those plugins are made for finance. You'll also see that I made multiple tags for some plugins, like crypto market news is finance and crypto. Now to find the right plugin, you first have to activate plugins. You do it right over here in the settings, beta features, and activate plugins, and then hover over to GPT-4 and click on plugins. Then there's no plugins enabled. You click the drop down menu. You scroll down at the bottom, and then you click on plugin store, and this is the plugin store. Finally, they added a search bar. I mentioned this in my last video. Sadly, there is no search function for now, but I think it will come soon. And now I type in crypto market news, and there is the right tool, and then just click on install and you are good to go. Then you have to make sure it is activated, then you can use it. I will also make some YouTube reviews and tutorials for some plugins, and I will add the link right on this column where it says YouTube tutorial. I also will add the logos, but it requires some time, and I will update this list every day. So to find the right plugin, use the Notion template. You find the link down in the description below. That's it for this video. If you have any specific questions on ChatGPT plugins, leave them down in the comments below. I will answer every comment. Also leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to stay up to date on ChatGPT plugins. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. That easy.